parameter 2, averaging time. The averaging time, that is the time span over which the instrument will calculate the output of your measurement value. That means it will calculate the running average over the raw values which are measured. So if you have a very short averaging time, you will have a very nervous and fast signal, as we can see here. For example, for 1 second. If you would change the averaging time to be 100 seconds, the output of your device will be much smoother, but also a little bit slower. So how to do that? In order to change parameter 2, we go into the parameter 2 by increasing the first one to 2. At the moment we have 80 seconds and we want that to be a bit faster, let's say 20 seconds. So we increase upwards, 9 and 0, 10 and 20 seconds. We save and we go back to the display scale. Now 3.5%